Have you ever dreamt of earning $1 million before you've graduated? Crazy talk, right? Believe it or not, it's not. 2 in 5 US teens are already making money online, with an average income of around $718 per year, according to a 2024 survey. A few kids are even making upwards of $10,000 a year from digital side hustles.
So you ask yourself, how can I become one of them? If you've ever Googled how to make money as a teenager or come across the phrase teen entrepreneurs, this is the video you need. We're getting down to 7 viable beginner-friendly tips, from freelancing and content creation to e-commerce and money mindset, that real teens have used to get climbing toward that first million. Prepared to make some money from screen time? Let's get started.
Number 1, big money mindset. Think long-term and act now. Before any hustle, it's all about the mindset. Dream large, but break it down into small pieces. Don't say, I need $1 million. Start with targets like 10K a year by 18, then 50K, and so on. The people behind Dave Ramsey reveal compound growth as your secret weapon. It's where if you invest early, small amounts can pile up. For instance, a teen who invested only $21,600 by the age of 30 would have $2.35 million by age 68, simply owing to compound interest. The lesson? Even small, steady savings or reinvested earnings add up over time. Set realistic milestones. Aim for your first $100,000 per year, then build. Start now and learn as you go. Teen entrepreneur Brendan Cox says, talk is cheap, take action now and learn as you go. Don't wait for perfect conditions, launch something small today. Surround yourself with supporters. Amazon teen founder Sarah Robinson advises, find people who encourage you and believe in what you're doing and surround yourself with them. Join youth business clubs or online forums to stay motivated. Embrace failure. Every no or flop is feedback. Heartland CU's teen tips remind us, failure sucks, but learning from it is normal and crucial. Use setbacks to tweak your plan and keep moving forward. Developing a growth mindset from the start, believing you can learn and improve, is step 1 on the road to $1 million.
Number 2, freelancing and skill building. Choose a marketable skill and profit from it. If you enjoy writing, coding, design, video editing, or tutoring, someone online needs your help. You can start freelancing as a teenager, even if only part-time. Get a portfolio going, even if it's just a basic blog or social media show-off, and start small. Legend has it that some teens actually programmed websites in exchange for money while they were still in high school. As for platforms such as Upwork, even though you may be subject to an age requirement of 18, you can get creative, do social media management of a local business, design logos for classmates, or tutor children.
Find your niche. Figure out what you do best, like graphic design, video editing, programming, even gaming tips. Teens can earn solid pay. Freelance writers or designers have reported $15 to $25 an hour starting out. Launch with small gigs. Share your service with friends and family first. Max S's advice, a teen who founded an Amazon mug company, applies here. Start small and gradually expand. Offer a great deal to one client, do outstanding work, then ask for referrals. Use free or teen-friendly platforms. Look into sites for teens. Some require parental consent, or local classifieds. Research shows clothing and e-commerce is big for teens, but digital freelancing is too. Remember, 53% of teens know someone earning online. It's a trend. Reinvest your earnings. As you get paid, save or buy better tools like software, laptop, or courses that let you charge more in the future.
Freelancing pays off more than pocket money. It builds skills and a client base. It's one of the quickest ways to turn effort into cash and set yourself up as a teen entrepreneur. Number 3, content creation. Turn likes into income. If you enjoy creating content, make it for money. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even a podcast can become cash cows if you establish an audience.
Brands are itchy to find young influencers. 23% of teens have received money for posting reviews of products on social media, mentioning the brand, and 31% have been asked by brands for sponsored posts, which is to say that companies really want to work with creators your age. Pick a platform and a niche. Find what interests you and focus on it. Gaming, fashion, DIY, education, etc. Regularly post for the people and the algorithm to see. Engage and grow. Engage followers, participate in trends, and collaborate. In the beginning, it's all about building views, not about the money. Once you reach these platform thresholds, you can start making ad revenue. Explore revenue streams. Consider other sources of revenue beyond ads and sponsors, affiliate links or Patreon. While it has been added in nearly every case by now, an influencer is also defined as someone who earns income from their work, and many teen YouTubers and TikTokers use it to stack earnings. Be patient and polite. When it comes to content creation, quality and consistency are rewarded. Get better at editing tricks or comedy timing. Every skill will increase watch time and credibility. Content creation fits perfectly for online make-money teens. It requires creative hustle and a willingness to put yourself out there. But with enough energy and smart strategy, your hobby channel can become a real income stream. Number 4, e-commerce and online selling. Selling goods remains a reliable path to big money. As Amazon's recent feature demonstrates, teens today are creating million-dollar stores on the web. You could begin selling your art, crafts, clothing, and anything else online. Remember the pair of sisters that sold personalized bath bombs? They grew a multi-million-dollar enterprise by high school. Thanks to print-on-demand, Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or Shopify, it's easier than ever to sell as a teen as well.
Locate something to sell, a product or service, check out what's trendy on Amazon or Etsy. Teens frequently buy and sell clothing or older items online. One poll found that about 15% of teens sell clothing to make a profit, or make stickers or posters or digital art. If you're more adventurous, you could experiment with drop shipping a trending gadget. Set up shop. Listing on sites like Amazon FBA or Etsy doesn't require a lot of money up front. In fact, Amazon has assisted one 18-year-old, Henry Berner, in turning a school project into a $5 million+ business selling custom buttons and accessories. Begin with one product, hone your listing, and then use that revenue to reinvest in inventory or more marketing.
Leverage platforms. Amazon FBA takes care of shipping, or Etsy for handmade items. Social media can bring in traffic. TikTok or Instagram product pics. Unboxings or tutorials about your products can contribute to a surge in sales. Test and iterate. Just make a small batch, sell a few, figure out what people want, then work on the product to make it better or focus on a different market audience. This trial and error thinking, begin small and grow, is precisely how countless teen e-commerce winners have made a fortune. E-commerce is a realistic hustle for teens. No special degree needed, just creativity and sales savvy. With each online sale, you're gaining real business experience and income.
Number 5, save, invest, and make your money grow. Earning is one half of the game. Keeping and growing that money is the other. Begin with the basics. Save any part of what you earn. Open a child-friendly savings or brokerage account with parental assistance. Even if it's only $50 a month, compound interest does miraculous things over long stretches of time. For instance, our friend, let's call him Jack, invested roughly $21,600 by the time he was 30 and retired with $2.35 million, while someone who saved 4 times that amount but started later had just $1.3 million.
Avoid debt traps. Teen millionaires caution, don't waste money on impulse buys or credit cards. Ramsey's research says living below your means and avoiding debt are keys to future wealth. Automate investing. Use apps that round up purchases or allow teen custodial accounts for index funds. The important part is consistency. Even if market dips happen, staying invested long-term beats trying to time stocks.
Reinvest profits. Any profits from freelancing or side business should get split. Spend a bit, save a bit, and invest the rest. By plowing money back into business tools or the stock market, you let money work for you. Monitor and learn. Track your earnings and net worth on a simple spreadsheet. Read personal finance blogs or watch videos about investing. The more you know, the smarter decisions you'll make. In short, think of every dollar you earn as a seed. Plant it and give it time. Compounding can turn those seeds into mighty trees of wealth.
Number 6. Establish a network and personal brand. You do not have to do this all by yourself. The more people you know and the better you present yourself, the more successful you are likely to be. Remember, 2 heads are better than 1. Begin building a small, shining brand of your own from your teens onwards. A basic website or LinkedIn when you're older can be a place for you to display your projects. Don't forget, join young entrepreneurs organizations or online communities, forums, discords, where other teen hustlers share their own ideas and tricks.
Use social proof. You should try to get testimonials or shout-outs from people who use what you make too, or who buy something off you. For instance, if you ever freelance for someone, ask them to post about that online. If your school friends use your product, get some grumpy Kentuckians to tag it all over social media. This makes it much easier when you try and pitch to new customers or clients. Connect with mentors. Talk to role models. Find and befriend local business owners, teachers, or family friends who have recently become entrepreneurs. It never fails on finding the right people who have confidence. Even if you only have a phone call from time to time with someone like that, it can trigger new insights.
Collaborate. Partner with other teens for joint ventures. For example, you make the logo and a friend handles sales for a joint e-commerce product. When content creators collaborate, like guest videos, both grow faster. Stay curious and share your journey. Write blog posts or vlogs about what you're learning. When others see you hustling and helping, they're more likely to support or join you. A strong network acts like rocket fuel. Surround yourself with encouraging people and share what you do. It often leads to unexpected opportunities and partnerships.
Number 7. Hustle hard and don't you dare give up. Let's be honest, this path is not easy. There will be late nights, a lot of no's, and plenty of hard obstacles. The key is to keep at it. Every teen entrepreneur you hear about, yes, even our Amazon and content all-stars, started somewhere small and failed countless times. Quote, try to keep a sense of humor about your missteps. You can look back and chuckle at the first horrible design you ever posted, or the first gig you ever underpriced, he wrote. Get in the habit of always asking, what did I learn after, and then adjust. The more you stick to it, the better you get at doing it. Put on some pump-up music, remember why you started, and get back to work. As one young entrepreneur explained, even when it's hard, don't abandon your dreams. Now you have 7 methods teenagers are employing to pursue millionaire status: a winning mindset, freelancing, creating content, e-commerce, smart finances, networking, and relentless hustle. It's not an overnight task, but if you started today, stacked these up, and kept moving forward, you'd be surprised at how far you could come. Look at the numbers. Hundreds of thousands of teens are already earning millions online, and some have parlayed that into multi-million success. You can too. So what's next? Select one piece of advice and do it today. Or write down your big goal, create a free freelance profile, or actually film that first TikTok. A journey of 1,000 miles, the beginning of a journey is with a single step. If you enjoyed these teen millionaire tips, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which strategy you're pursuing first. Stay inspired, keep educating yourself, and hey, who knows, maybe you'll be the next teenage millionaire we're writing about.